how to share story on Instagram to Facebook. So that's what I'm going to show you guys in the super quick and easy tutorial. So without further ado, let us begin. So first, let's just open up Instagram. And then once we're here, what you want to do is to just head over to your profile. So the profile is right here at the top on the bottom right corner. Click on that. And then once you're in your profile, what you want to do is to just simply click on the three lines right here on the top right corner. Click on that. And then once you're here, what you want to do is to go at the very top right here until you see your account. So once you're in your account, what you want to do is to just simply click on Account Center. And then from here, this is where we're going to connect our Facebook account so that we can share our story on Instagram to Facebook. So so what we're going to do from here is to go to Connected Experiences. And then once you're here, just click on Sharing Across Profiles. There you go. And then under here, what you want to do is you just simply click on Add Accounts. There you go. And then after that, just simply add your Facebook account. So I'll just click on Add Facebook Account right here. And then there you go. Then after that, you'll be redirected here. So to enable Connected Experiences, add these accounts to the same account center. So there you go. Click on Continue. And then after that, just click on Continue again. And then after that, just simply click on Yes, Finish Adding. And then there you go. So as you can see right here in our profiles, as you can see that our Facebook account is now here. So so after that, let's just try to post a story right here. So I'll just take a picture of this. And then after that, as you can see at the bottom right here, it says tap and hold to see Facebook sharing options. So when I tap and hold on this, as you can see that I'll be able to share this Facebook story to my Facebook. So make sure that you should tick this circle right here on the right. So make sure that there's a check right there in your Facebook story so that this will be posted to your Facebook account as well. So there you go. So once you're done, just simply click on Share. There you go. Share Instagram stories to Facebook automatically. Click on Share Stories. And then there you go. We have now posted our story. So when I open up my Facebook right here, as you can see that I have the story right here in my Facebook account automatically. And then after that, you're pretty much done. So that's pretty much it on how to share story on Instagram to Facebook.